Another day of getting ready with me for work with what I have in my closet. This is my basic layer. I went with this legging because this legging is warm and it's very thick, so I really love to wear this, especially this period. If you live in the Netherlands, this period, whew, it's crazy. I have been walking to work. I cannot ride bicycle because it's so slippery outside, and I just prefer to walk. It's not even far; it's like 10 minutes walk. So I'm at my workplace. So now I prefer to just walk because I'm not gonna risk it and be and just fall down and be part of the people that fall down in the snow. I'm not gonna risk it. So yeah, this is the basic layer. Today I decided to go for something different. Okay, I used to be obsessed with these trousers. I got this from AliExpress. It's like a two-piece set. I didn't know. I was kind of confused. I didn't know which one I wanted, so I got the trousers. I got this one. It has like a mesh here. I got this one. It's a two-piece set. You can wear it with the trousers. And I also got this one with the zipper. This one is a bit more thicker, and yeah, I got this long time ago. If you guys have been following me for a very long time, you guys know. You guys have definitely seen me wear this. I love wearing this. I used to love wearing this so much, but then for no reason, as you grow older, your style change, and yeah, I just put it down. So today, I'm like, you know what? It's a challenge of me wearing everything I have in my closet, and I'm just gonna wear everything I have in my closet, as long as I keep warm. And I do have a uniform that I'm wearing on top, so I'm not gonna be walking like this set of my workplace all the time. I do have a uniform that I'm wearing on top of it, so at least makes it much more better. So I'm going in with the pants. I don't know if this one fits me anymore, but it's a stretchy material, so I'm hoping it still fits. Yes, fits past my leg. That's the most important thing. I used to be obsessed. I used to be obsessed with this pants. Especially those days where I used to go to festival. I used to wear this a lot to festival because I love it. Simple. It's a two-piece set. If I'm stressing about what to wear, I just wear it. So this is it. It's like a stretchy material, so it's really nice. The only thing is feel oh, I have to be able to stretch it. I think maybe because of the legging is thick underneath, so it kind of feels a little bit tighter, like I cannot move. Okay, able to move around. I'm able to move around. I think I want to wear. I'm going to try this one first. If I like it, then I stick to it. If I don't like it, then I'll change and put the other one. Try this one. Feels tight. Feels tight. Yo, you can really tell that I have gained weight. It do fit, but it feels a bit tighter on the arm because of course I gained a little bit of weight. It do fit. It's very comfortable. It does feel tight a bit. I don't even think I'm gonna remove it anymore because the struggle of putting it on, I don't think I'm gonna remove it anymore. Oh, And also this one has a zip. So if you feel a bit warm, open it underneath my uniform. If I feel cold, I could just zip it. Okay, I need to get it to zip first. Okay. Ooh, if I can really be honest, it does feel tight. It does feel tight. Yes, it feels a bit tighter, but I, I'm ready to wear everything I have in my closet. So this is what I have in my closet. Oh, the top feels tight. The top feels really, really tight. The top feels, ooh, it feels really tight. I really add up some weight, man. Because when I used to wear this one, it used to be so comfortable on me. I think it feels tight on the lighting. This thing here is where it's a bit tighter because this part, this is not a stretchy part, so it feels tight. But for the rest, it feels good. Uh, this is the other one. You know what? I'm gonna stick with this because I don't have energy to be taking off and put it on again, and I don't have enough time anymore. I don't have energy to be taking off and put this. So I'm gonna stick with this one. I'm gonna wear what I have in my closet, and this is what I have in my closet. Ooh, it feels good, but it feels tight. But I'm not gonna take it off. I'm gonna wear this boot. This boot is so comfortable to walk with, especially with this weather. It is extremely comfortable. Like I said, the only part that I don't like that it doesn't have a zip. Putting it on is a bit of a struggle. But okay, we learn. I do have also, I think they're not gray or like a creamy color of this boot. I barely wear that one just because of the putting it on is a bit stressful. If I'm wearing just a simple legging or just socks and a short trousers like in the summer, then I wear it. But like in the winter time, if I'm going in for like thick stuff like this, I like the ones that has a zip. I think I do have another one that has a zip underneath. I might get that one out tomorrow. Because there was a time that I used to be very obsessed with boots like this. So I do have a couple. I do have some couple. The socks is just too thick. Oh, yeah. So with this one like this, I'll just put my uniform underneath and I'll just raise it up like this so at least my arms is free so I can able to walk. But I don't think I'm gonna be able to wear this particular one anymore because it feels really tight. But hey, I already have it on, so therefore I'm not gonna take it out. I'm not gonna take it out. Ooh, okay. So guys, this is it. This is the outfit of today. Looking really sporty, but I'm not going to talk. This is the outfit look of the day. Tell me what you guys think. I love it. I love it. So yeah, hope to see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. Your effort, for your labor and understanding. And I'll see you all on the next video.